how to connect anti-gravity to Claude. So leaving your autonomous anti-gravity agents to run on generic, unoptimized model backends guarantees a cascade of code hallucinations and broken syntax trees. To unlock elite, multi-file architectural reasoning, you must route your framework's cognitive load directly through Anthropic's Claude API. So let's provision your access parameters. Navigate to console of Claude, log into your developer account, and select the API keys dashboard. So in here, go to Get API Key. There you go. And click the Create Key button, name the configuration token, for example, Anti-Gravity Orchestrator Core, and hit Generate. And after that, we can target the exact reasoning engine model. So open your project's local settings script, and you can program Anti-Gravity's core execution node to bypass default parameters and target Claude 3.5 Sonnet for maximum algorithmic efficiency. You can just program Anti-Gravity's core execution node to bypass default parameters and target Claude 3.5 Sonnet for maximum efficiency. And the exact second your autonomous workspace spins up a sub-agent to refactor a complex file block, it wraps your file system contacts inside Anthropic message API payload. So bringing Claude's unmatched contextual intelligence with Anti-Gravity's autonomous agent forms an elite, closed-loop development pipeline. Hopefully this was helpful. As always, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you soon.